Have you ever wondered what the best ever setting for the GAN 356ME is? Well, if you have, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best settings for this cube. Not only that, but I'm also going to be showing you the difference between every adjustments. As you may already know, the basic settings or adjustments of this cube is the center travel at 2 and the tension adjustment at 4. Which in my opinion isn't the best setting, and I feel like it locks up a lot if you leave it in the basic one. And it's just like too tight in my opinion. For the center travel adjustment system, I like leaving it at 3. But why do I like having it at 3? Well, let me explain. So basically, if you have it at 2, it's going to be tighter than if you have it at 3. I like having it at 3 because the cube just feels better and it doesn't lock up that much when you have it at 3. So my recommendations for the center travel adjustment system is to have it at 3. You may want to change it around, maybe leave it at 2, but I just like 3. You tell me what your favorite center travel adjustment system is if you don't like mine. But yeah, that's my opinion. And if you don't know, to adjust the cube, you have to get this tool that comes in the box, and you have to basically just put it in the space here and then move it clockwise or counterclockwise, however you want to move it. And then switch it to whatever center adjustment system you want it to be. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. Now for the tension adjustment system, it's a bit different because I believe that if the number is bigger, it's tighter. So it's basically the opposite of this one. At least that's what I think. I might be wrong, so if you know more than me, correct me in the comments. And what I have for that setting, which is the tension adjustment system, I sometimes forget the name, so I have to look at the manual. I have it at 2. I like how it feels. It feels looser, and I just like it. Now, this is the frustrating part, because to be able to see the numbers, you have to have a light or a flashlight on to be able to see them. And even with a flashlight or light on, you may not even see it, but you just have to like look carefully. Look, I have it at 2. To set up the tension adjustment system is basically the same thing you do to set up the top part, but you just have to look for the space right here and then turn it clockwise. And when you turn it clockwise, you will hear a click like this. So if you have it at 4, I recommend for you to change it to 2 because I think it is the best tension for the cube. And that's basically how you do it. Get a light, look at the number, and then switch it to 2 because that's just how I like it. So recapping, the best setting for the GAN 356ME is the center travel adjustment system at 3 and the tension at 2. So that's what I found to be the best settings for this cube. If you found out that this video is helpful, tell me down below in the comments. And if you like the video if you want. And if you want to subscribe, do it if you want. And yeah, I hope you have a good Easter. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good rest of your day. Also, I want to remind you guys to keep on working hard and to keep on hustling and grinding, and for you to read the Bible and learn about God, because that's something that has impacted my life a lot. So yeah, and I also want to talk about something, why I have not been that consistent over the past few months. The reason why I haven't been consistent is because I've had to deal with school, basketball, my relationship with God, life in general, and also YouTube and cubing. And yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff, so I haven't really made a lot of videos. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys why I didn't post a lot of things. This summer, I might post a lot of videos and stuff because I'm going to be free and I'm not going to do a lot of stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.